inclusion. Okay, so here I will then go ahead and make some adjustments. So here we have the client name. We would more than likely want to display more information than this. So let's have a quick look at the SQL. And well, we see here we have the ID companies, ID clients, B company name, and A client name. So we have our tables, and we see here, if I log into our database, we can then see here our tables. So we have our clients as well as our companies table. And what we want to do is actually take some more information here from the clients table. So I want to reference some of these other fields that I have here. So for instance, now we have a.client name. So we will replicate that, a.client_address. And there we have his address. Okay, and then maybe we don't want the address, maybe we just want the country. So let's actually add the country, okay, and make sure we add a comma after the client name because it was actually the last entry. And let's zoom in there a little bit so we can see that a bit better. Also going blind in my old age. Okay, so now if I go a client country, comma, and I will then space that again, a.client_, and we will then also take the active, and there's no client underscore this time, so we just want active. So let's go change that to just active. And if I save that now and run the grid, and we can add a 1 in there for the first company. We have no new information in there yet because we have not added the fields into the view yet, but we have not received an error within Scriptcase. So our fields and our select here is good. So I'll come here to edit fields, and then what I could do then is I can drag up here the client country. So then I'll change that to just country, maybe just name, and then move here the status up as well. And I can save that. Now if I run and 1, now we have the country as well as the active status of that user.